Alright, so hello again. Let's set up Jupyter Notebook. So I am in a folder. I will create here a new folder. I will hit enter. Go in this folder. I will simply right click here and open in terminal. I will type here code dot and make sure that you have VS Code installed. I will just hit enter. If you don't have VS Code installed, then you can just download the installer and follow the same steps that are shown. It is very simple. I will create a new file and I will type hello.ipynb and hit enter. So basically it will open this kind of interface, and before that make sure you go to extensions and type here Jupyter and install this extension. If you don't have it installed, either you can install this way, or when you will open this kind of file, it will show a pop-up here in the bottom. You can just click on install, and apart from that, you just click on code and you can directly run any code that you want. For example, I will just run a demo code and I will continue or control enter, and it will basically first detect my Python version and then it will run it, and it will also show a pop-up for installing a Jupyter Notebook kernel. You have that will pop up in the bottom and you have to click on install, and then you are ready to go. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.